Hello and Assalamu alaikum. This is joblinkers.com once again here to tell you about some exciting job opportunities that are currently open in the Dubai sector. And this is my website, and here it is. There is my YouTube channel where I used to post multiple videos. It's a very new channel, so there are not so much subscribers. So if you are like the video, then hit like and subscribe my channel to get more exciting jobs opportunities. So it is on the initial stage, and that is something that I'm working on it. But this is my website here where I used to post, and I am posting multiple job opportunities in the Dubai sector and UAE sector. So you can see that here are multiple job opportunities that you can see: restaurant, cafeteria, real estate, chef. So these are the jobs that I used to post, but when you just scroll it down on the down page, then you will find that I also post jobs in the blog side. So if you are on my website, then also check these blogs to get more relevant jobs to your profile. So today I'm going to talk about the Tower Plaza hotel jobs. So I have already opened it in the next tab, so I can show you that this is the Tower Plaza hotel job in Dubai, and you are going to get a very huge benefits if you are being selected by this hotel. So this is the profile that if you are applying, that you must know about the profile of your organization, and then you will come down and you will know the location, what sort of qualification experience they are requiring, and what is the salary. So I'll talk about that in details, and what are the benefits. I have also highlighted it here that you are going to get the employment visa, paid annual leaves, health insurance, tax-free salary, housing and accommodation, transportation, annual air ticket, and gratuity end of the service benefit. Look, job security is something that everybody wants. So this job opportunity is going to, if you are in the technical sector, so this job opportunity is for you, because I'm going to tell you the what are the job opportunity availables currently. They need housekeeping supervisor, tailor, food services, and lobby host, and that is the Russian speaker. So if you are relevant to these jobs and you want to apply for these, if you have an experience, you have a certifications, and you can profile, you can present your profile and demonstrate that you are a very competitive, so then must apply here. What you have to do to apply it here: you must have the updated resume, it means a CV and passport copy that should be valid for at least 6 months. Okay, don't send your passport that is going to expire in the near future, so you must have an updated passport copy. Okay, then visa copy, if you are in the UAE already, and if you are not, then this is not applicable to you. And then passport size photograph, and educational certifications, and experience certifications. So one thing I want to tell you here, that if you are going to apply for any job, you must make your resume relevant to that job. So it is very important. If you are applying for a job and your CV is not updated, it is not going to give attention to the employer, so they are not going to take it seriously. So if you want to apply for these jobs, make sure that you must have an updated CV, and it should be on a very good pattern. Look, I also have highlighted it on my website that if you want to make or take any sort of help from these templates, like this type of the CV that is going to take the attention of your employer, so make sure that you make, look, this is a very nice CV, and if you make your CV on this pattern, then inshallah you are going to be selected. So then coming back to this job, you'll make a very good CV, and you'll arrange all these documents, and then you are going to send them on this email address, and then make prayer and wait for this. So here it is something that I wanted to discuss with you. So if you want more job opportunities, then again I also post blog on these job opportunities. Come here and search for your relevant job type. So this is my website once again. I hope you like the video. Joblinkers.com is a website that is working continuously to bring attention of those people that want to work and they are searching for a job in the UAE sector. So this is my YouTube channel. Please hit like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.